In this video, we will discuss how to update the value of an existing key in a dictionary in Python. Suppose we have a dictionary which contains the employee data. The keys are of string type and each key has an integer value linked with it. In this case, key is like its employee name and the integer value is the task assigned to this employee. Now we want to change the integer value linked with this key Emily Roy. For that we can use the square brackets. In the square brackets we will pass the key and it will give us the reference of the value associated with this key. We can change the value. So this line should modify the value linked with the key Emily Roy. We can confirm this by printing the dictionary. If we run this code, we can see that the value linked with the key Emily Roy is 5 times 1 now. So value is updated. Let's clear the console. But the important point to note here is if we pass a key into the square bracket that does not exist in the dictionary, like here Sanjay Roy, this key does not exist in the dictionary. In that case, this line will add a new key value pair into the dictionary. We can confirm this by running the code. So here we can see that new key value pair has been added. Our intention was to update the value of an existing key, but instead of that a new key value pair was added. So whenever you want to update the value of an existing key in dictionary, first check if the key exists in the dictionary or not before trying to update the value. We can do that using the in operator. So here we are checking if the key exists in the dictionary, then only update its value. Otherwise, don't do anything. So we can clear the console, and if we run the code now, we can see the dictionary is not modified because the key which we provided here for the updation does not exist in the dictionary. Apart from the square brackets, there is another way to update the value of an existing key, and that is using the update method. Update method accepts a sequence of key value pairs. Now this sequence can be a list of tuples or another dictionary. So it will update the value of the keys provided in the sequence. Like here we can provide Emily Roy and the new value linked with it. So this line should update the value of the existing key Emily Roy to this new value. If we try to run this code, we can see that the value linked with the key Emily Roy got updated. Because in the update function here we passed a key value pair and the key was already present in the dictionary. So its value got updated. How this approach is different from square brackets. In the square brackets, we can update the value of one key only. But here, using an update function, we can do the bulk update. We can update the value of multiple keys in a single line. For example, we can pass this whole dictionary into the update function and let's change the value of each key. This is a single line and we are trying to update the value of multiple keys in a single line. If we run this code, see the value of each key got updated. So using the update function, we can update the values of multiple keys in a single line. So that's the major difference between the update function and the square brackets. Now other important point to note here is that if we pass a key here that does not exist in the dictionary, then in that case that key value pair will be added into the dictionary. Like here in the update function we provided 3 key value pairs, out of which two keys were already present in the dictionary, so we can assume that their values will be updated. But the third key, like Sanjay Roy here, is not present in the dictionary. So for this entry, it will create a new key value pair into the dictionary. For the other two entries, it will update the value of existing key value pairs. We can run this code and check. Yes, now our dictionary has 4 key value pairs. So the last key value pair was added in the update line, whereas for the other two key value pairs, John Doe and Ritika Singh, value got updated, whereas it didn't modify the value of key Emily Roy. So this is how we can use the update function and square bracket to update the value of existing keys in a dictionary.